and welcome back. My name is Salma Hassan, and today's lesson we're going to talk about the present perfect tense. So please, in today's lesson I want from you to keep your focus on, because today's lesson I think it's more harder than other lessons. So please keep your focus on. So in today's lesson we're going to talk about the formation of the present perfect tense and the usage of the present perfect tense. So let's start. What is the formation of the present perfect tense? The formation is subject plus has or have plus the past participle of the verb. So, as she has moved to a new apartment. We have moved to a new apartment. So we have has for singular and have for plural. So, now let's move on to the most important part in our lesson today, the usages of the present perfect tense. We have three usages, and the three usages are very important. So let's move to the first usage of the present perfect tense. The first usage say that action happened in some time in the past, on a specified time in the past. So the time is not important. It doesn't matter when. As we have moved to another apartment, or we have moved to a new apartment. Here in the example, the action is the most important thing. It doesn't matter when we have moved to a new apartment. So let's move to the second usage. What is the second usage? Expressing a repetition of an action, but it doesn't matter when it should be has done, right? As we have had 4 testers so far this semester, right? So let's move to the third and the last usage in our lesson today, and it is expressing an action that began in the past and is continuing in the present. As I've been here for 3 hours. So here the action began from 3 hours, right? So before we finish our lesson, I have a notice. When you see already, just, never, ever, since, for, yet, here you must know that you are using the present perfect tense. Before we finish our lesson, we have to make a simple comparison between for and since, and what is the difference between since and for. So since plus a particular time, but for plus a duration of a time. What does it mean? So as I have lived in Cairo since 2013. So here, since is plus a particular time, a specific time. But in for, as I've lived in Cairo for 8 years. So it is a duration of a time, right? So now I've finished my lesson. I hope you benefit from it. Thank you for attention. Thank you for watching. And now we can say goodbye.